All right, I've got a setup. It's just a little makeup slash shaving mirror at the end there that I've determined has a focal length of 27 centimeters, 270 millimeters. And right now I'm at about, well, let me back up to uh, 70 centimeters, 700 millimeters. There's a little here at the top. Here at the top, there's a little red arrow pointing up, and beneath it, there's a black arrow pointing up. Well, of course, on the mirror, they're inverted, and so as I move to 27 would be double 27 would be about um, 54 centimeters, and there's 54 centimeters, and it should be about uh, magnification of 1, and so I'm going to keep sliding it forward, and it keeps getting bigger, and then it gets distorted because there's an area in here where it really flips, and I think we've just passed it. You can see now the arrow is upright. Let me back it up, and you'll see the arrow is upside down, is pointing downward, and here's the transition to where the arrow is pointing upward. And now it's going to be upright from here on out, and there we go, and it gets magnified as I get closer and closer. Let's back that up. There's the transition point, and there's 54 centimeters, and as we back up, of course, it just gets smaller and smaller and smaller.